Repair is not just about fixing what is broken, it's transforming wounds into wonder. It's turning scars into strength, pain into purpose, and brokenness into beauty. Because wounds are not just mark of suffering, they are the beginning. When we choose repair, we don't just recover, we grow stronger, wiser, and more whole. Each of us carries scars, reminder of our struggles, failures, and hurts. But we are not defined by them. Instead, we can use them to tell a greater story of healing and transformation. It begins the moment we face our wounds instead of hiding them. It happens when we forgive others, but also ourselves. Forgiveness does not erase the past, but it frees us from its grip. By choosing transformation over bitterness, by allowing God's grace to turn our scars into testimony of strength, by sharing our healing with others, creating a ripple of restoration and hope, that's the beauty of repair. So today, I challenge you. Don't just seek healing, seek transformation. Embrace your scars, let them shape your story, because repair does not just restore, it creates something greater than what was before.